over 60 years, the Sriprasit Group has been motivated by their aspirations and guided by stringent global standards whilst producing their range of pharmaceuticals. We are at the forefront of the pharmaceutical industry in all its guises: manufacturing, importing, distributing and exporting pharmaceuticals that comply with internationally sanctioned benchmarks. The Sriprasit Group was established in 1949 as a pharmaceutical importer. In 1975, under the auspices of Sriprasit Pharma Company Limited, we entered the manufacturing realms. Later, SPS Medical Co Ltd was established as a distributor for the local market. As our group continues to flourish, the goal at hand remains the same: customer satisfaction and market penetration across Asia and indeed on the world stage. Both will be achieved through strict adherence to global industry standards and quality control. Our most recently built pharmaceutical production plant is situated on a 24-acre-sized property in the Krathum Baen district of Samut Sakhon province.
Sriprasit เนี่ยตั้งมาประมาณ70 ปีแล้วนะครับเราอยู่ในกิจการผลิตยาแล้วก็นำเข้ายามาโดยตลอดวิชั่นของเราก็คือเราอยากจะเห็นเราเองเนี่ยเป็นบริษัทชั้นนำของประเทศไทยนะครับซึ่งลูกค้าทั้งในประเทศและต่างประเทศเนี่ยเชื่อมั่นในคุณภาพเราสามารถสร้างโรงงานและก็ระบบคุณภาพซึ่งสอดคล้องกับระบบ GMP PICS ซึ่งเป็นระบบซึ่งทุกคนเชื่อมั่นได้ว่าถ้าเรายึดถือระบบการทำงานแบบนี้แล้วเนี่ยก็ผลิตภัณฑ์ที่เราทำออกมาได้เนี่ยก็เชื่อมั่นได้ว่าจะสามารถรักษาความเจ็บป่วยของคนไข้ได้เป็นอย่างดี
This state-of-the-art plant incorporates all the up-to-date, internationally accepted guidelines and standards governance of the GMP, regulated by the PICS. It was certified. These new regulations are far more exacting than previous versions and place an emphasis on water and air systems. The interior of the plant has been purposefully designed to efficiently manage dust and particle contamination and accommodate ease of sanitation. Within the confines of the plant, temperature and climate control are afforded the utmost attention. This allows for the precise conditions required for production, though still having minimal environmental impact. These conditions are attained through using world-class equipment sourced respectively from the USA, France, and Germany. Our high-quality laboratory is certified with ISO 17025 by the Bureau of Laboratory Quality Standards, or BLQS, of the Department of Medical Sciences, Ministry of Public Health. This lab is used for the analysis, testing, sampling and storing of samples, all of which is relevant to the production, starting from the raw material intake, which needs to be identified by a NIR machine. This assures the quality of raw materials and finished products. We take great pride in attaining the 2008 ISO 9001 certification. This applies to all elements involved in production, including environmental management and the quality of life of our staff. The quality of our products lies in the quality of our operations. This applies to all our products. These products are respiratory medicines, neurological medicines, musculoskeletal medicines, thyroid medicines, cardiovascular medicines, gastrointestinal medicines, dermatological products, vitamins and minerals. The production of all our products has been supervised and prepared by pharmacists, chemists and specialists in the field of research and development, raw material intake, manufacture and product testing prior to distribution. Quality assurance and control is of utter importance to the team allocated to these tasks. Our customers can be assured that our products are effective and of the highest quality. Another element that we take pride in relates to our research and development team. The entire R&D is conducted with equipment that correlates exactly with the equipment used on a manufacturing scale. Upon successful development on a R&D level, all that is needed would be the increase of batch size to manufacture the end product in large volumes. This not only attributes to high standards, but also leads to increased efficiency. Although QA plays an integral part within our organization, our staff is also prioritized. We place an emphasis on an organizational culture that promotes knowledge, personal contentment and sharing. Our staff have received training in a number of different courses with the hope of them gaining more knowledge as well as sharing this knowledge with colleagues. Consistency is the key, and for a number of years, we have delivered consistent, high-standard products and impressive service. This, in turn, has kept us consistently at the top for our customers, both in the local and international markets.
I think we grow the trust between Sriprasit and us. We just sort of grow deeper. We have a greater trust in each other. So it's much easier to do business when there's a lot of trust involved. So we know that when we ask for help, for whatever help, we know that Sriprasit will provide us with whatever they could do to help us. So they are very obliging, as a good friend should be, and as a good partner should be. At the same time, if they ask us for any request us to do anything, any special favor, we will do it without any reservation. That is why it is so enjoyable to do business with Sriprasit.
To retain and increase the confidence of our valued clients, we have opened the doors for visits and tours, something that has been welcomed by many institutions, both private and governmental. We have embraced our core values by contributing to our neighboring communities, as well as supporting government sectors and other organizations with programs aimed at the disadvantaged. Our service and sharing focused culture is at the core of our values. We take pride in this. During the course of our 6 decades of operation, we have remained committed to continuously enhancing our product quality and ongoing research. Because of this commitment, we are consistently able to improve quality of life for all mankind, as well as adhering to global pharmaceutical quality standards. Rooted in 6 decades, growing for mankind. Sriprasit Group.